battery.
Lincoln 7.
Is bird up above? Yeah, the helicopter's above the guy. We're not lights and sirens. We're just continuing with the path that he's going. Hoping if he foot bails, we can help get there. The helicopter's still above. He's still driving slightly erratically, so we're just laying off. Hopefully he'll calm his driving down and be able to take him into custody without any incidents.
Star, eastbound Silver Eagle, blue stop sign at table.
Copy, Central.
Star coming up to Norwood now. He's at Norwood, moving to the right. Looks like he may go south. Yep, he's going southbound to Norwood from Silver Eagle.
Southbound north, Silver Eagle.
Hey, why don't we have people positioned with spike strips in at those two exits? He's southbound now. He's actually just turned on Lindley. He's going to cross right in front of you. He's southbound on, I believe it's Grove.
Copy, southbound Grove.
Clear right, clear right. Yeah, Charles 25, that was me. I couldn't get there in time.
Sorry, southbound Grove at Eleanor. Southbound Grove at Eleanor. Eastbound Eleanor. Eastbound Eleanor. Actually, it's, yeah, Eleanor. Eastbound.
Copy, eastbound Eleanor.
Coming back out to Norwood, guys. Through the stop at Norwood, continuing eastbound.
Copy, continuing eastbound.
It's like under these conditions, all the things all the different apps you gotta wear. Right now we're just thinking of the safety of the public due to the way he's driving, the need to apprehend him because the robbery was with a gun yesterday, and so we're balancing that out right now. We're trying to get his tires popped with a spike strip. Right now it's
northbound Rio Linda Boulevard.
Copy, northbound Rio Linda.
clear right, clear right. Hopefully beat him to Rio Linda and spike him, or maybe he'll come back this way.